What up? What up? What up? I get asked a lot on a daily basis. What do I do for a watch list? How do I make a watch list? Blah, 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 blah. Well, I'm finally making a video about it. And it's something everybody and anybody could do. FinViz. FinViz. It's free. You can pay for it, but I use the free version. Just type in FinViz, main page. Go to Screener right there. Click on that. Then you want to go to Technicals right there. Once you get to this page, I always sort by volume, highest volume. And then I go over here to performance, and I go plus 10 for the day. And that's going to sort all the tickers plus 10% on the day. It usually knocks out all the large cap and all the nonsense shit we don't care about. Anyhow, from this point on, I'm going to break down tickers that fit my criteria and my process. First and second green days. These are all listed stocks, by the way. Also, I'm looking for daily breakouts, so something that's setting up. It's ran previously, it's consolidated, held its highs, and it's looking for a second leg up. So I'll look for some of those, and I usually get a list of anywhere from 5 to 12, 15 stocks, and then from there I'll break it down even more, and I'll usually end up with about 3 to 5 stocks total. Depends on the day. Today we had a really good day. If you come back to the main page, if you look at the map, the heat map, all green. Not what we're used to the last couple of days, last week. So we're gonna go back screener. We're gonna go to technicals. We're gonna go to performance. Today plus 10%, and then sort that by volume. And let's break it down. So pretty much I'll just go over and highlight the chart. Usually I'll have another chart set up on my platform where I can see the minute, 15-minute, and the daily, and that just speeds it up. But for here we'll just do this. No biggie. HTBX was the highest percent gainer of the day, and see, it's the second green day. I like that. This is definitely something that I'll keep on the watch. TTNP looks like it's the second day of the run. It's been choppy the last 2 months, 3 months. Probably not something I'm going to trade, but it looks like it's headed towards that resistance area just above 40 cents. So we'll just take a look at it. NOVN. I don't like it. Huge gap down, ugly. I watched it yesterday, I guess you could say, because this is going to come out in a couple days. Uh, JD, 40 cents, $40 stock. Get it out of here. Nope, nope. CPHI. This was a big runner. This is a Chinese drug manufacturer. As you can see, it broke the daily resistance of $1 and ripped pretty much in the morning time, faded the rest of the day. Choppy, but it's something that I'll dig a little closer. mRNA, it's in the part of its cycle I just don't care about. It's up, it's ran, volume's already in, bag holders are holding, don't care about it. Pass. CODX, this is leading sector momentum ticker for the coronavirus. I'm not going to break this down, but this is one of the tickers you want to keep an eye on when you're trading during sector momentum. The lead tickers usually lead the race, and yeah, you just want to keep an eye on it, see what it's doing. NTEC, it's gap down. It looks like it could potentially fill that gap, but it's a cheap stock. It's an Israel stock, biotech. I mean, those are a dime a dozen right now. I'm just gonna pass on that. TNXP, again, like the previous two stocks. This is just in a part of the cycle I just don't care about. If it were to come a little, let's say tomorrow it has a nice green day and it closes below $2, that's something that I might be interested in looking at. But as of right now, I'm just going to put it off to the side and wait for another day. GHSI is a ticker that had a nice day today. Not really. This is junk. It broke the daily resistance and faded the rest. Today was just kind of a consolidation day. Tesla, I don't care about it. It's expensive, has a huge market cap, and it's not what I trade. KPTI, again, billion plus market cap. It's trading in the 20s. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Trill, watched that today. Morning spike and faded. Uh, it's a pretty large market cap, Canadian biotech. Nah, I'm not interested. CHFS, this is a tiny little biotech company, appliance company, medical appliances. It's traded that volume all of February, late January, had that massive, massive tank at the end of January. Pass, pass. I'll go over to page 2. And pretty much that's all I'm doing is I'm just breaking down the tickers. I'm looking for first, second green days, high volume, closed high, strong on the day, daily breakouts. I know there's one on the second page here that I'm liking for tomorrow for a potential daily breakout. APDN closed ugly the last 2 days. Has no real history of holding gains. I'm going to pass, 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 pass. Ugly. Nope. This is a ticker BPMX, biotech, tiny float, closed 80% on the day, 6.4 mil volume. This is a ticker I'll look to play. It's a little cheaper than I like, but it's a tiny biotech. Let's see if we can get it pushed over to a dollar. GNPX. It's it's been running and it's near that $4 consolidation area, but it's just too extended for me. It's been chopping around. Pass, pass, ugly. SENS. As you can see, that $180 level, potential daily breakout. The drawback on this, market cap's a little high. And all this volume it's traded. I mean, it trades. It's not weird for it to trade 5 million in a day and it not move. Um, Something I'm going to keep an eye on for tomorrow, but I don't have high hopes for it. And I'm going to dig through the SEC filings, see if there's any shelves that I have to worry about, any 424Bs, etc. IFRX had a really nice move today. Pulled back towards just below $5, I want to say, and curled back up end of day, closed super strong. I think it's now gapping up into the 450s, 650s after hours. This is something I'm going to keep an eye on. Had that nice daily breakout, that $5 hold number. Ah, what a beautiful play. BIMI. This is something that could potentially looks like it's sort of wanting to cup and handle. It's a Chinese machinery company. This thing ran back in October when SES made the huge move. It was an energy company back then. It's very, very sketchy. We'll keep an eye on it. Let me go back and just put that there. BNGO, very, very common ticker. It spikes a lot. It's a medical lab company. Medium-sized market cap. Closed with 25% up on the day with around 3 million volume. Something we'll keep an eye on it if it can gap up near that resistance level on the daily. Something we'll look at. DVAX, junk, junk. RMTI. This is a drug manufacturer company, US. Again, you can see that daily level of resistance, 340s. Test, rejects, test, rejects, test, rejects. Fourth time with a little gap up. Healthy market today. Maybe can continue tomorrow. Something I'll keep my eye on. TGTX, gross, gross, gross. SNSS, biotech company. Didn't really have a strong day today, but volume was pretty weak. But as you can see, that daily level, things can get exciting if that were to break. CBB, nope. FAS, nope. MVIS, I like this gap down, but probably still too early for that to fill all that fresh selling volume. I'd like those to kind of shake out before seeing that play set up. Sage, gross. TOCA. I traded this, I think, on the second green day. Had a nice bounce today. Might want to look for that for a setup on a daily breakout. A lot of nice daily breakout setups coming around. And all this Corona from a couple weeks ago or last week. Last week was huge. They're all bouncing. Nice setup plays. And I just go around, I look, LPTX. Daily's setting up nice. If we can have a nice volume day, 3, 5, 10 million that day, million volume day, could see some move. And I just go through. Once it hits about 1 mil volume, even like today, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tickers up, and we're going down to a 1.5 mil volume for the day. Not something, these tickers, CEI. I know they can't dilute right now, but chart looks super ugly. It's fading. I know they have to stay above a buck. That I'll just keep an eye on, but I'm not probably going to trade that tomorrow. And I think that's about it. All the rest looks like crap. So pretty much now I have these 9 tickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to break them down the chart, financials, SEC filings. I want to look and see if they're diluting. I want to see if their share count on the recent 10Q from the previous one has grown or shrunk. I want to look at the catalyst. I just want to break down everything as much as I can. That's why I like to make these at night. I can take my time and really, really dissect these companies and see if there's any major flags that are concerning. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to go into breaking one down in this video because I just wanted to go a brief. This is already almost a 15-minute video. But I'll look here, shares outstanding, market cap. I want a market cap between, I don't really like them more than 100 million. It's a lot easier for a $30 million company to double to a 60 rather than 100 million to a 200 million. So the lower the market cap, I like that. I'll go through the catalyst here. They have a nice updated catalyst here. Here you can check the company's website, and they have their press releases. Go over their technology or whatever product they're offering. Here they have all their press releases. They're doing a public offering here. That's good to see. And that's about it. If you guys have any questions, maybe next video I'm going to go more in depth where I'll already have a watch list broken out, and I'll go through a few of the tickers and break them down in depth, my process of how I do that. But for today, that's where we're going to end. Um, Shoot this video a like and follow me at tiktoktrades.com and hit me up for my Discord chat. I have a free Discord chat, about 60 members, give or take. It's just a chill community, share some ideas, and trade, make some money. So you guys have a good night, and I will see you in the next video.